Hello and welcome to the Chandara Academy. In today's video we are going to solve this trigonometry exercise. This is an exercise that you are not really used to, at least for the second question, so we will work this out together. Let x be a real number in an interval 0 to pi. This is quite an important information, such as we are given a condition on x, cosinus of x is equal square root of 5 minus 1 over 4. Okay, so now this is not really trivial. We don't know the value of x. Using the trigonometric circle as an help, answer the following question. First, give the sign of sinus x. Really easy. I just have to draw the trigonometric circle with here 0, pi, 2 pi. So this is a suitable trigonometric circle because the interval we are looking for is included. So we are looking for x between 0 and pi. So x between 0 and pi. And we can see that within all this interval, we've got the sinus that is positive because we read the sinus on this axis. The sinus is positive. So first question, give the sign of the sinus of x. The sinus of x is positive. Second question, among the following values, which one could correspond to x? Justify. So maybe this is not true, but what we want is to find the only value that could satisfy this equation. That means this is the closest. Maybe if we don't know the value yet, we know the conditions that we have on x to be able to have a cosinus like that. For instance, we cannot have x on this zone because here the cosinus would be negative, and so we can like delete some values. For instance, those two values here, those two values are not in the interval 0 pi, and so we cannot use those values. Then we are left with two values. Okay, we are left with two values, 2 pi over 5 and 4 pi over 5. We want to see that this cosinus, so square root of 5 minus 1 over 4, will be greater than 0. Okay, so we are not even in 0 pi anymore. We are in the interval 0 pi over 2. So I will sketch it a little bit better. We are now in the interval 0 pi over 2, because at the same time we are in the interval 0 pi, but now because our cosinus is positive, we are in this interval where the cosinus is positive. What we want to see here is that we've got an angle that is lower than pi over 4 and an angle. So we've got an angle that is lower than pi over 2, this angle, and this angle that is greater than pi over 2. And we are looking for an angle lower than pi over 2. Lower than pi over 2. And so we can eliminate this angle here. And so our unique angle possible, if we have to choose now, would be the angle 2 pi. So 2 pi over 5 is the most suitable angle. And we've justified why, because it is the only one, such as x is in 0 pi first. With this condition we eliminated the two first, and such as and to have a cosinus strictly positive because it is in this part of the trigonometric circle. Maybe it does not satisfy the equation, but, and this is the question, we have to choose, but this is the most suitable angle within the selection we are given. And so, with that, we've solved this exercise. Hope you enjoyed the video. See you soon. Bye.